To be real, if this was my last season and I knew I was retiring and I was in the NBA Finals, I'd have pushed off too. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Jordan 14 Art of a Champion Last Shot. Now, the Air Jordan 14 Last Shot is an OG colorway. We first saw this on the feet of Michael Jordan in Game 6 of the 1998 NBA Finals when Michael Jordan crossed over / pushed off Byron Russell to give the Chicago Bulls the lead after a miraculous steal on Karl Malone. And that moment is iconic in its own right, and it closed out a historic career, 14-year stretch, even though he was gone for 2 years, so technically 12 years. But in that time, he got 6 championships, 5 MVPs, 6 final MVPs. Mike closed out, like there's no better way to close out a career. This shoe is part of the Art of a Champion pack. And wouldn't you know it, Mike won his championship in this shoe. There's 2 more shoes left in the Art of a Champion pack. It's the Air Force 270 and a mystery shoe. Ooh. But if I can, I'll try to pick up both pairs and I will review both of them. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the black and gold Jumpman box, and the colorway is black and varsity red. Next, let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe utilizes tumble leather as well as suede paneling and mesh detailing. Taking a look at the toe, you have a suede toe with the red Jumpman logo on the toe cap. And in comparison to the 2005 and 2014 shoes, this is definitely a much softer suede. The 2014 shoe, if I remember correctly, used nubuck, and the 2005 shoe, either the 2005 or the 2014 shoe used nubuck, and this is actually suede, and it's actually a really nice suede. Also, you have these 2 overlay detailings, and these are rubber. You have mesh detailing on the tongue with the words Air Jordan on the tongue tag. On the inside of the tongue, you have the number 14 in Roman numerals. The insole has the varsity red Jumpman. Moving towards the heel, you got the grooved vamp, as well as the suede paneling on the quarter, and you have the Ferrari style Jumpman logo. On the back, you have the Jumpman in varsity red, as well as the 23, and you have the netted rubber panel for the back tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, save for the suede paneling, which is more situated towards the ankle, but you do have the groove paneling in tumble leather. The midsole is black with the red detailing, and on the medial side, you have that open perforation, and you've got a black and red outsole with the number 14 in Roman numerals right on the forefoot. Of all the Jordan 14s that have come out, I've always been a fan of the Last Shot colorway and the Indiglo colorway. So when they announced that they were bringing the shoe back for its 20th anniversary, no doubt I had to pick this up. Ironically enough, this is an Art of a Champion shoe, but it doesn't have the Larry O'Brien hang tag or the Think 16 branding on the box or on the shoe, which is kind of weird. Then again, the shoe was part of the remastered series, so they would try to keep it as close as possible. So that would explain why there's no patch on the inside of the tongue, but that doesn't explain why there's no Larry O'Brien hang tag. Quality on this shoe is pretty good, so I'm not complaining about that at all. Besides, I've got plenty of hang tags to just throw on the shoe if I really wanted to. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. 14 Last Shot hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on June 14th for a retail price of $190. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.